Hello, my name is Vinay Jaraj Barve, and today's date is 20th of September 2023. As we discuss, today's topic is introduction of Spring. So basically, Spring is used for the develop the web application in the better manner. Like it has like various MNC uses Spring to develop the web application, and it is easy to test, and it has various advantages which included so let us discuss one by one. Firstly, we'll discuss about the what is Spring. So Spring it is a lightweight framework, and it can be thought as a framework because it provides support to the various framework like Hibernate, Tapestry, Struts, EJB, JSF, etc. And also the framework in broader sense can be defined as the structure where we find the solution of various technical problems. And after that, Spring allows developer to use the PostGIS to create the enterprises class apps. The advantage of using PostGIS is you don't require to EGB container product and application server. Instead, you may use the powerful servlet container like Tomcat or commercial product. So this is the introduction of Spring, and after that we'll talk about the advantages of Spring. So it is like a simple, easy and lightweight. Uh, and second one is like it used to build the secure web applications. Let me give some example. Like while on home, then definitely you are looking for the security. So security purpose like you like other users can't access your can't access your control. That is why we are using the Spring. And after that it is easy communication between the database. So like a database, it is very important to store the multiple amount of data and use it in the efficient manner. And also database are an important part of application, as without smooth and easy communication with the database, or application cannot be become plain. And after that it has modular design. And so talking about the modular design, it has like one of most striking features of Spring, and it for its modularity. And after that it can be integrated with other frameworks as well. Reusability of the code is most important. So for that purpose you can access it along with Spring along with others frameworks as well. And after that it has having the good network of people consider, and one of most it is one of most point to success today's world. And after that testings, so testing becomes very easy while using the Spring. And after that it has handle external resource easily. So external resources means images, HTML file, image so other files are uses you can use it use via the Spring. So for the Spring, it has various MVC like uh, modular controller they are using. They are using MVC pattern as well. So MVC pattern is also most important while designing or web application. So that is all about the introduction of Spring. Thank you.